Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of dishes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare a trout fillet using just salt, pepper, and paprika, which gives it a sweet and smoky flavor. And that's all the ingredients you need for this dish. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by patting the fish dry with paper towels, line a baking sheet with tin foil, lay the fillet on the tray and sprinkle it with the salt, pepper, and paprika. Bake that in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Time depends on the size of the fillet and your oven. For this, I baked it for 12 minutes and checked on it. It was done after 12 and not overcooked. Better to start with a shorter time and check than to set a longer time and drying it out. Transfer the fish to a plate and tuck in. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I really appreciate any and all love. Thank you and have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.